Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster, and today I have a question for you. Are you sick of overcooking your green veggies? And this is a rhetorical question, so the answer is yes. Well guys, if you follow this method, everything will be solved, because I'm going to show you how to cook your greens so that they have the perfect softness and crunch every time. And guess what? It only takes 2 minutes of cooking time. The first step is to heat up your wok or pan, then fill it up with some boiling water. Next, drizzle in some olive oil, then add some salt. Okay, that's it. Now we're ready to add our greens. Now for this dish, you can use any type of greens. This is Komatsuna, aka Japanese Mustard Spinach. Anything that's green and you think is suitable probably will work. Next, on goes the lid, and with the help of Hello Kitty, I'm going to cook them for 2 minutes. Not a second more or a second less. Okay, time's up. 2 minutes have passed and the greens are done. Now dropping the Komatsuna into the boiling hot water, it did two things. Number one, it cooked them perfectly, and number two, it sealed in all of the goodness. Oh, and number three, the addition of the olive oil gave these veggies a real glossy sheen. Now just check out the shades of green on my Komatsuna. They're vivid, they're appetizing, and they're screaming, "Eat me!" And all of the flavor and nutrients are sealed inside. As I mentioned, this Komatsuna is done. That means it's ready to eat. But first I'm going to break out the scissors and cut it into some more manageable pieces. A cut here and a cut there and another cut here, and they're ready to be served. Now you may be thinking to yourself, jeepers, he has balls that up. But guess what guys, I haven't, because, well, take a look at this. And ta-da! Now that looks much better, doesn't it? They are cooked to perfection and in no way are they overcooked. Now usually at this point, I'd pour on some oyster sauce. Yep, directly onto it. But today I feel like pouring on some sesame shabu sauce. Because that's how I roll. I'm unpredictable. And there we go guys, some beautiful greens in no time at all. They make a perfect side dish to go with your main, eh? This Komatsuna is delissimo. It's soft, yet crunchy, and it's just oozing freshness. This dish took no time to cook at all, and it's good for you. I mean, what more could you ask for? It's perfect. And as I mentioned before, if you haven't got Komatsuna, well, you could use Chinese broccoli, bok choy, or spinach, or anything else that floats your boat. I mean, the world is your oyster. Sauce. Now it's your turn to give this dish a try, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. You'll be making it day after day and week after week. Some days will be broccoli and the other days will be bok choy. Anyway, I digress. I'm the Bento Buster. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Kia kaha. Stay strong.